I'm the lead here at JourneyTEAM for Adoption and Change Management. Just wanted to share with you a quick update on the adoption side of things. I want to point you first to that, first with that image there that has a red X. And I think we have all seen this or fallen victim to it at some time in our careers. And that is an email goes out on Monday for a training on Tuesday for a launch on Wednesday. Let me give you the update and the breaking news. This does not work, all right? But I want to share with you what does work, and that is a certain methodology and adoption program that we have here at JourneyTEAM. We also are offering a TeamsAdoption workshop, and this is funded from Microsoft, by Microsoft. This workshop, it's for IT and business decision makers to go through business use cases, success criteria, training, communication plans, all those things that you need to prepare and equip your users through this change process. So like I say, that is funded by Microsoft. Please get in contact with me about how you can qualify for funding and how that works. Love to share that with you. Outside of the Teams part of it that's funded by Microsoft, we do offer this with other products and services that you might be supporting as well. So love to talk to you about your adoption efforts and how to get into these workshops. So that's all I have from the adoption side.